Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up backlink tracking with Semrush, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up backlink tracking with Semrush, begin by visiting the Semrush website. Log into your Semrush account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Backlink Analytics section in the main menu. Enter your domain name in the search bar and click on the search button. Review the overview of your domain's current backlinks. To track backlinks, locate and click on the Backlink Tracker tool in the sidebar. You will be prompted to create a new project if you haven't already. Fill in the required fields including your project name and domain. After setting up the project, you will be directed to the project dashboard. In the dashboard, find the Backlink Monitoring tab and click on it. Click on that Add Backlink button to start inputting the URLs you want to track. Input the referring domain, target URL, and keyword you wish to monitor. After inputting the details, click on the Add button to save the backlink. Once you have added all the backlinks, Semrush will begin tracking them. You can revisit this section to view updates on your backlink profile. Explore the graphs and reports provided to analyze your backlink data effectively. Regularly check for changes, new backlinks, and referring domains. Utilize these insights to optimize your SEO strategies moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.